Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. And our today's topic is meshing. Dear students, you know that in question number 5 you will get a meshing, and to solve this meshing you need to know some rules. So today I will try to discuss on it. Okay, dear students, here is the meshing in question number 5. Okay, so after getting the meshing, first of all you will need to know what is written in both sides. So first of all, read all the things what is written here. In Roman number A, Adam was sitting, he saw the miserable, he felt pity, he tore a leaf, he dropped the leaf. Dear students, by reading these items of column A, you will have an overview on the story or on the topic of the meshing. Then after reading it, you will read column B. From the tree, on the tree near the stem, just before the ant, condition of the ant, and for the ant. This is all about. So dear students, if you read these two columns, then it would be clear to you that in which topic or in which story is reflected here. So I will request you, after getting this, you will must read the both columns, and then I come how you will answer it. Okay, dear students, here you will not find any sub number, so it is too much clear to you that it will make a meaningful sentence. So it should be answered in easiest way. So how will you answer it? Let's try to solve it. Answer to the question number 5. Okay, after writing it, which number is given here? Here Roman first number, so you also will give Roman first number, and after that you will write the sentence. A dove was sitting. A dove was sitting. Then which one will match with it? A dove was sitting. So after reading one, you will read full 5. From the tree, on a tree, near the stream, just before the ant, condition of the ant, for the ant. Dear friends, imagine that this story is not known to you. This story is not known to you, but if you read a thing from this column and read all the columns from this column, you will must be able to choose the definite answer. So I will request you to read these two columns again and again if the story is unknown to you. So a dove was sitting on a tree near the stem. On a tree near the stem. Full stop. Okay. Then number 2, he saw the miserable. Miserable what? Condition of the ant. So Roman 2 would be given. Dear students, although Roman number is given here, so you are bound to write Roman number here. Although here is given Roman number, you are not allowed to write A, B and C. Measurable condition of the ant. Full stop. Then number 3, he felt pity. He felt pity for the ant. Then number 4, he tore a leaf. He tore a leaf from the tree. Okay. Then last number, he dropped the leaf. Which one is left from here? He dropped the leaf. Which one is left? Just before the ant. Okay. He dropped the leaf just before the ant. Dear students, this is all about this table. But dear students, another one important topic to you is that if you get any sub number here, okay, if you get any sub number here, on that case you will not answer as this way. Imagine that here written A, B, C, D and E. So on that case, first of all you will have to write Roman I plus this B. After writing it, you will have to give an equal sign. Then write the full sentence without giving any plus or minus. Okay. Then imagine that for the case of Roman 2, he saw the measurable condition of the ant. So it would be A, B, C, D. Imagine that if here also sub numbers given, that means A, B, C, D, E. On that case, you have to follow this system. Okay. This is the answer, and you have homework. You have homework and the same table, the same matching, you will do it. Dear students, this lecture is very much easy but too much important for you for writing it. I hope you all got understand it. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.